We're here in Sion in Switzerland on a stunning January day. Absolutely beautiful, bright sunny day, but at about -6 degrees. We're here to ferry this Sikorsky 76 C++ from Sion back to Oxford in the UK. Having had quite a wide and varied experience of Sikorsky aircraft, this one, in my opinion, is probably the best in the fleet. As you can see, it's in absolutely stunning condition.
It's very much the Rolls-Royce of the sky. Unlike the 109 helicopters, which are a lot more sporty, we've decided to make this one very classic.